This video will provide a brief overview of Microsoft OneDrive, including how to access it, how to upload files and folders, and how to browse any files stored in OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud-based drive where users can store, access, edit, and share files from any of their compatible devices once they have logged into their Office 365 account. Any files created using the online version of Microsoft apps such as Word, PowerPoint, and Excel are automatically stored on OneDrive for later retrieval. On logging into your Office 365 account, you will see a list of apps and functions on the left-hand side of the screen. To access OneDrive, click on the App Launcher icon at the very top of the left-hand side, represented here by a grid of squares just above the Home icon. From here, select OneDrive, represented by a cloud. This will bring you to the home screen, where you can see any recent files accessed by you or other users with whom you share file access. To access your other files and folders, click on the My Files tab. Here, you can see any files you have created or uploaded to OneDrive, along with any folders you may have made to organize your files. The Activity column will highlight any recent edits by other users who can access your files. From here, we can also favorite a file by clicking on the star icon. We can edit, rename, move, and otherwise alter files and folders by right-clicking. To add a new file or folder, click the blue Add New button on the upper left side of the screen. You can see that a range of options is presented to you. To add a new folder to your File section, click Folder. To upload an existing file or folder from your device, click either of these two options. From here, simply locate the file or folder in question on your device and select Upload. To create an entirely new file, simply select the type, such as Word document, an Excel workbook, or a PowerPoint presentation. Once you select the file you would like to create, you will be brought to the appropriate 365 app where you can begin work on your new file. From here, we can also visit the Share tab. Here we can see any files that have been shared by us or with us, along with recent activity and the Activity column. We can also filter these files by type, as shown here along the top of the screen. Further down, we can access our favorite files. These are files that we have marked as favorite, such as files that we access most often or that are very important. And from there, we can also visit the Recycle bin, where recently deleted files are sent before permanent deletion. To permanently remove a file from the Recycle bin, click Empty Recycle bin. We can also browse OneDrive files by the person or persons who have shared files with us previously. To search for a specific person, simply enter their name in the Filter by Person box here. If any files were shared during a Teams meeting, they will appear in the Meetings tab. Finally, along the bottom edge of the left-hand side of the screen, you can see a Quick Access tab for any groups that you are a member of to provide direct access to any files or folders shared within those groups. To leave OneDrive or access another Office 365 app, simply return to the App Launcher icon at the top of the left-hand side of the screen and select the app. I hope you found this demonstration on how to use OneDrive helpful. Be sure to view other videos in our LOETB how-to series.